kind of town Schenectady is. Baby, my kind of town Schenectady is.
Well, God bless America. Face the final curtain, my friend. I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway. And more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it, and it was on my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. How about a hand for the dancers, ladies and gentlemen?
Those fingers in my hair that slide come with a stare that strips my conscience bare. It's witchcraft, and I've got no defense for it. The heat is too intense for it. What good would common sense do to you? Baby, it's witchcraft, crazy, crazy witchcraft. And I know, strictly taboo, yeah. When you arouse that need in me, my heart says yes indeed to me. Proceed with what you're leading me to. It's such an ancient pitch, but one that I never switch. 'Cause there's no lovely witch like you. There's only beautiful witches here, and they left all the bad ones that practiced last week wicked. What a show, I don't know if anybody saw it. Wicked Witch Epica. Miss Foss, good voice. Wow. It's her. 'Cause it's witchcraft. Crazy, crazy witchcraft. And although I know strictly taboo, yeah. When you arouse that need in me, my heart says yes indeed to me. Proceed with what you're leading me to. It's such an ancient pitch, but one that I never switch. 'Cause there's no nicer witch than you. Oh, you wicked little witchcraft. Come give Francis some witchcraft. 'Cause that witch is you. Yeah, witchcraft. All good witches here today. Thank you.
There you go. Here's the Salvation Army Band. Yes, brought to you by Joe Sinatra. This is from the 60s. You were young in the 60s. Everybody was throwing stone. Stony when you try to be so good. They stone you just like they said they would. They stone you when you try to go home. They stone you when you live all alone. Well, but I would not feel so all alone. They stone you when you play your guitar. But I would not feel so all alone. Everybody must get stoned. Take it away, man. Here they go. Oh, they stone you when you're young. They stone you when you're old. Everybody must get stoned. They stone you when you're all alone. They stone you when you're walking home. They stone you and then they say they're brave. They stone you and they're put down in your grave. Oh, don't I feel so all alone? Everybody must get stoned. Hey. All right. Thank you to the band.
I don't believe it, just watch. Well, I don't believe it, just watch. I don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. I don't believe it, just watch. Hey, 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 woo! Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put the liquor in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Back to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. We're gonna show 'em up. We're gonna show 'em up. Smoother than a fresh job skippy. I'm too hot. Hot damn. Call the police and I'm fine, man. Too hot. Hot damn. Make it drag water in time, man. Too hot. Hot damn. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. Hot damn. And I'm bad about that money. Break it down. Girls hit hallelujah. Woo. Girl hit hallelujah. Girl hit hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Sing it. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night, we're in the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. No. Oh yeah. I don't believe it, just watch. Oh yeah. I don't believe it, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Come on, put your hands together now. Put your hands together. Now before I go, I'm gonna tell you a little something. I said, Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said, Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said, Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said, Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on now, dance. Jump on it. If you're sexy, then just own it. Don't brag about it, come show me. If you're freaky, then just own it. Dance, jump on it. If you're sexy, then just show me. When it's Saturday night, it's been the spot. Don't believe it, just watch. Come on. I want to hear you singing. I don't believe it, just watch. Oh yeah. I don't believe it, just watch. I don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Hey, 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 woo! Uptown
country singers are going to get up there. Even though it's not a country song, it's my favorite. And since I'm running the show, they're going to sing this next. That Bernard. The return of the dynamic diva, Jenna Sue Country Princess.
We are the dynamic duo. We had the honor of singing this together on Proctor Stage a couple years ago. It's a tune by Dusty Springfield. Yes. I'm just backing her up. This is basically her tune, but go for Jenna.
They did this.
Yeah.
Proctor.
When I said I needed you, and you said you would always stay, it was me who changed for you, and now you've gone away. Don't you see that now you've gone? And I left you on my own, and that I had to follow you and beg you to come home. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you. But believe me, I'll never tie you down. Left alone with just a memory. Life seems dead and so real. Nothing left but loneliness. There's nothing left to feel. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, you don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, Thank you.
With me. All summer long we sang that song, then we strolled that golden sand. Oh yeah. Two sweethearts then. Yes, that summer wind. Wow. Like painted kites, those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath the blue, uncharted sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day he called to you. I lost you too. Maybe that summer when